In this video, we'll show you how to terminate Category 6A FTP Field Termination RJ45 plugs with Excel's Category 6A SFTP cable. You'll need a peg-style cable stripper and multi-purpose side cutters. Slide the nut down the cable. Strip about 40mm off the cable jacket using the cable stripper. Score the sheath, bend to break it, and remove the jacket. Use the side cutters to remove the ripcord. Slide the braid down the cable and remove using the side cutters. Then remove the foil layers from around the individual pairs of cable. Position the drain wire towards the back of the cable. Untwist the pairs and arrange them into the wire manager according to the wiring colour code. Straighten the wires and trim the ends so they're all the same length. Put the wires through the wire manager, keeping the end of the cable jacket about 4mm from the rear of the cap. Press the wire manager to terminate the wires. Trim the excess wires using the side cutters. Wrap the drain wire around the cable at the base of the wire manager. Bring the nut up the cable and cover the wrapped drain wire. Assemble the wire manager into the groove of the base housing to affix. Place the cover into the revolving groove and press the cover to engage with the base housing, using pliers if needed. Lock and tighten the nut to secure the field termination RJ45 plug.